Hey up guys, Dave here writing 41 songs in 41 days. This is song number 40 and this is going to be a bit of a different video today. I fully expected from the start of this challenge to have some form of technical issues. Day 40 is the first time it's actually happened, so I've just sat down to edit yesterday's video and I've just found that all of the video files sound like this. So one of my backup plans for if there was like technical issues was to just do a talking header video like this where I just explain the process of the song that I wrote. So that's what I'm going to do today. So let's get cracking. Yesterday was actually quite a hard day for writing a song anyway, because there's some issues that has happened which I'm not going to go into details of, and it just was not a good day. I decided I want to use a chord to start it with that actually expressed the feeling that I was having, and I used this E minor add 9. I thought it was a really nice chord to start with, and then I went to C add 9. To start off with just like it's a bad day for you, it's hard knowing there's nothing we can do. It's about time the system did you right. It's about time that the system did you right. Chorus kind of thing, it just kind of came out, was just the idea of saying we're here, we're here, we're here, where you need us to be. And I just changed the chord progression a little bit to be G major. So G major, A minor 7, C add 9. I was tempted to go to D, but it felt like it was too bright and too obvious, so I just went straight back to G. We're here, we're here, we're here where you need us to be. We're here, we're here, we're here where you need us to be. Then going down to that D F sharp until it is back into that dark sound of that chord. And then same kind of thing, I went with it's been a bad day for you. I was gonna go with, well, I did go with and you know that there's nothing you could do or nothing you can do. But what I've realised just to sit down to do this video is I should have said I'm sorry to say I'm glad I'm not in your shoes, something like that. It's a bad day to be you, glad I'm not in your shoes. And it's about time the world was on your side. You know we're on your side. Here, we're here. Wasn't really in the mood to write a song yesterday, and if I wasn't doing this challenge I definitely wouldn't have done, but I'm really happy I did it because I've realised more and more throughout this challenge that songwriting isn't just something that I like to do. I think it's something that actually makes me feel better. It's almost quite therapeutic for me. I think the idea of like a creative outlet made me feel better. I've wanted these videos to be very much you seeing behind the scenes of writing songs. I can't quite believe I've got to song number 40 and this is the first time I've had technical difficulties like this. So this has been a very different video to that, so I hope that's okay. If you want to check out this song, it's on the screen now. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow.